Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see the prize problems in this game in Minecraft Education. So now I'm loading into the server. It's just now we're gonna just play it. The prizes animations. Now we're gonna speak to the arcade technician. Welcome back. Thanks to great coders like you, everyone's favorite game in the arcade is back up and running. It's giving out emeralds and folks are playing it again. Great news! Well, it's not all good news. Players are earning emeralds for their scores, but there's an issue with the prize counter. Well, I have a robot running the prize counter, but something must be wrong with its code. With its code. It's not responding to any requests from the amazing new prizes we have. I have an idea. I had a feeling you're going to say that. You want to replace your old robot with your agent. You think it can do a better job? Sounds like a plan. Agreed. Let's go earn some emeralds first, so we can use them at the prize counter. Let's go. Now we're going to the aim trainer. I'm gonna tell you how to start it. So now, I like to stand in the middle. Press C or the agent. So, wait, I forgot to do something. I need to speak to the arcade technician. Let's start by activating the game. We need to get it up. And running to earn those emeralds. Emeralds. Got it. Fantastic. Press C or click the agent icon to open the code. This is the agent icon. Then follow the tutorial to play the game. Let's go. Now I'm standing here. First, I need to go to the aim trainer. If I put this inside, play aim trainer. Then on chat command, run. This can. So it has to be play. Wait, I made it Arabic. Play. So now if I press T, do play, you will see. Now I need to go. I have 30 seconds, as you see. But I'm just on laptop, so my aim isn't that good. But I can get every target. I can get, I think, more than 5. 8, I think. So now I'm just hitting the targets. I hit 9. Now everything is done. If I speak to the arcade technician, let's go to the price counter. Wait. This is the inventory and this is the arcade. And now I speak to her again. Welcome back to the price counter. Here you can pay the agent behind the counters to spend your emeralds on prizes. But something isn't working quite right. The good news is your agent is here to do the job. We've got this. I found a video online that should walk us through the problem. I trust you to get it working. When you are ready, come speak to me again. Let's watch the tutorial. The NPC link. Wait, let me get it from.
Hey gamers, if you're checking out this video, you've played the Aim Trainer arcade game, received your emeralds as a reward, and made your way to the prize counter. But the agent is just not giving out prizes like the arcade needs. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the agent's code so players can trade in their emeralds and earn some awesome prizes. Let's start by pressing C or tapping the agent icon on a touchscreen to open the code. We need to identify the problem. Some of you may have noticed that there is a chat command provided that seems to allow players to purchase the headphones. Cool price. It also looks like the cost of those headphones is currently set to 2 emeralds. Let's test that to see if it works. We can press the green play button on the bottom right to run our code. Of course, we need to use the emeralds we have to earn those headphones. So let's give those to our agent, who is now our new shopkeeper. If I interact with the agent, I can access the agent's inventory. I can put the emeralds needed in slot 1 of the agent's inventory. In this case, 2 emeralds. When we close the inventory, I can now ask the agent for the item I want to trade those emeralds for by using the chat command for that item. I can press T or the chat icon and type headphones. And sure enough, it works. I now have the headphones in my inventory. I can even wear them. I wonder what would happen if I didn't put enough emeralds in slot 1. Or maybe I put the emeralds in a different slot. Or I tried to fool the agent by using something other than emeralds to win those headphones. Try it and see what happens. You can pause here and come back after some testing.
So now I paused and now I'm going back to Minecraft. Close. So now if I press C, it tells us about the price that it set price headphones. It tells us about the price, and the price cost is 2. That's true. Called by price it's just a code because the function here is by price. And if I put this, the function and the call by price will be connected. So now if I press here, I'll go to the agent, give him 2 emeralds, and then press T and say headphones. So now if I press enter, now I have the headphones. So now if I press E, because I'm on a keyboard, I can actually wear it. But as the video told us, what happens if we put the emeralds in a other slot, or we try to trick it? Let's see. Now I can just go to T and press headphones. What will he do? Wait. Headphones. So now he returned the items because I put the emeralds in the wrong spot and I tried to fool it. Let's now see what the video will say. Now let's go to Chrome. Now we'll
Did you
just
give it a
watch.
try? If you did, you probably saw that the agent refused these trades and either refunded your emeralds or tossed everything back at you. He also said sorry on the screen, but didn't give many more details. Since trading the right amount of emeralds for the headphones does seem to work, let's get the rest of our prizes set up. If we look at the set prizes block in our code, we can see it has a drop-down. If we click it, we can see which other prizes are available. Looks like the players can win the headphones, a jersey, pants, shoes, and even a controller. We will need to set up code for each of these prizes. Let's make the jersey a winnable prize. From the player category, grab an on-chat command block and drag it into your code. Let's change this command to jersey. Next, we will need to set the prize by adding a set prize block from the aim trainer category. Let's add it inside our chat command block and set the dropdown to jersey, our new prize. Now, we need to set the amount of emeralds needed to win the jersey. From the variables category, get the set prize cost block and add it below the set prize block. The cost of this item is up to you. I'm guessing the arcade owner doesn't want to just give away free jerseys. I'll set the cost to 10 emeralds. Finally, we need the agent to see if the prize should be awarded. This means running all of the code on the right to see if the player provided enough emeralds in slot 1 to earn the jersey. To run all of the code in the function to the right, let's click Advanced at the bottom of our categories. Then, in the function category, let's use the call by prize block. This will run all of the code in the function to the right and see if the player should earn the jersey or if the trade should be refused. Time to give it another test and see how it works. Try and trade emeralds for the jersey. Looks good, but we still have 3 more prizes to add to our code. Let's try an easier way for our next one. Press C, or the agent icon, and go back to your code. Notice how the code for the headphones and the code for the jersey are almost exactly the same? That means we can reuse that code for our other prizes. Let's duplicate that code. Right-click on the on-chat command block for one of the other prizes. From the drop-down that appears, select Duplicate from the top. We now have a copy of that code, but need to make some adjustments. We need to change the chat command to our next prize, which is the pants. And we need to select the pants as the prize in the set prize block. Now to set the cost for that prize. Again, it's up to you. How much is a fair amount of emeralds for that prize? I think you should be able to handle finishing up the code for the remaining prizes. You can pause the video here and take the time you need to complete and test your code. When you are ready, continue the video and we'll finish things up.
Now I will pause here. And now I'm going to Minecraft Education again. So now, as he said, we're gonna press C and headphones. Prize is the headphones. So if he said if I right click, I can duplicate and put it here. But I need some adjustments. Like now I need a jersey. And I can do this to make it. I will make it 1. So now I'm gonna just duplicate all of them. So if I duplicate the jersey, now I can make the jersey to be pants. And the price cost is 1. It's now easier. So now if I right click pants, why isn't it right clicking? Wait. Why isn't it right clicking? Fine. So if we want to do it without duplicating, we can just do it on chat command run. Then we take the set price to shoes. Then we type here shoes. So now I go to variables. Yes. Wait, why is it number 1? Wait. Price cost. Set price cost. Set price cost by 1. Then press advanced and the functions button. Call by price. So now we have all the prices except for the controller. Now we're gonna just get it and we're gonna tell him we're gonna put all the emeralds. Press T, and now I need the jersey. Wait, I forgot to do something. Now if I press here, go to the agent. Yes. Then I press T. Jersey. Why isn't he responding? Let's put the right amount. I'm gonna put him. Why isn't it do 1 emerald? So now if we tell him jersey, it needs to work. I started it T and jersey. Did I even do the jersey? Called by price. Or am I? Wait, I'm typing it wrong. I'm so stupid. It's jersey. Really, bro? Come on. Jersey. I just wrote it 1,000,000 times. Finally. And now I'll go to the code again. Put him 1 emerald. Again, I made everything 1 emerald. So now I got 1 emerald. Now if I go to T, I do pants. It will give me the pants. And finally, we're gonna press T again. Then we're gonna what's that? Now if I put 1 emerald, 2 emeralds, I think it's 1. If I put 1 emerald, now I can type in shoes. Shoes. Wait. Let's go. And now it's shoes. Now I got the shoes. Now if I wear it, the jersey, look. So now we're gonna end the video here. Like and subscribe for more updates and videos.